Okay. So we do the same thing. And except we want to change up the URL, I think. So retrieving bundles. How do we retrieve the bundle? Retrieving a single asset, retrieving bundles. Okay. Retrieving bundles, retrieving assets. Token IDs. An array of token IDs. Gotcha. API v1 assets. Okay, so this one might be different because instead of it being in the URL, it's going to be in the query parameters, I think. Query string is equal to, I believe it was it token IDs? Let's double check that. Retrieving assets. Query params. Token IDs, yeah. Okay, let's do token IDs, and that's going to be NFT IDs. So we'll call this IDs. Okay, so we got the URL, which we're going to get rid of that. I'm going to say .get URL, and what was it? The params is equal to the query string, and we're going to return a response. So we're going to go to NFTs and how are we going to do this? Okay, maybe we do have to say 1, 2, 3, 4. How? Okay, NFT IDs string is equal to that. And then we're going to say NFT IDs is equal to NFT IDs string dot split that. We're going to print this out just in case there's something that goes wrong. So send. Yep, okay. None-type object has no attribute split. Gotcha. Because we have to say IDs. So false success. You know, and we got that. We got what we wanted. But why did we experience an issue here? Oh, duh, because we have to say asset contract address as well. Okay. So let's do this. That is collection.address. All right, now that should work. Still? Still, even if we're to do 10, 11, 12, same problem. Okay, is there a... Make any text, or we did, but just showed that. That's super helpful. An array of token IDs. Oh, it's supposed to be a string, isn't it? So how would we Python URL encode string? Okay, let's say URL encode port URL lib, and we're going to say coded is equal to your lib.your_uncode NFT IDs, print NFT IDs encoded, and we're going to put that guy right there. And we're going to say this is going to be a dictionary. We're going to say ID, no, token ID. Wait. How's that going to work? How is it that there are multiple of these? So we can't create a dictionary because there can't be a multi identical key in a dictionary. So how do we well, I guess we have to do it the old-fashioned way. Let's say empty IDs. Now let's say NFT ID query string is equal to this dot join. Then we're going to say token IDs was it token ID or token IDs? Okay, yeah, it's token IDs. Then we're going to say equals. We're going to say ID for ID and NFT IDs. And then we're going to print this guy. Then again. Okay, so there has to be some sort of question mark at the beginning. Oh wait, no. We're gonna join it with these guys, and we're gonna put a question mark at the front of it. I think that should work. Okay. So we put down what they said, and that doesn't appear to be working for some reason. So what are we doing wrong? What are we doing wrong here? Return a list of assets with contracts mentioning the addresses in this array. If token IDs is also specified, then it will only return assets that match each address token ID pairing, respecting order. What to try, what to try. That is a terrible example. What do they do in here? You know what? Okay, we're just going to program this. We're going to forget about this guy. We're just going to say asset, and then maybe we do put this collection address here. That would be my best guess. And then we say NFT ID query string. So then we're going to forget about this. And let us get rid of that. And let us why are we having an issue? Put a slash there, see if that works. Nothing. What to do, what to do. So that is working. Maybe we do want to take that out. Let's say contract asset contract addresses. Let's do that. Okay. Is equal to collection address. Okay. Now let's put this guy here. All right. So that is our NFT ID query string. So let me get rid of this. And that. All right, let's see. Still. That looks legit to me. Assets. Limit responses to members of a collection, limit offset or direction or by asset contract addresses. Equals. What did it return? Did it return, was it a pagination? Of some sort. Okay, return 20 of these things. It looked like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so 20 offset. Okay. Let's try something else. Query equals asset contract address is collection address, and then token IDs is going to be a list, or it's just going to be NFT IDs. And maybe we have to make these integers. Not string, int. All right, TIDs, and let's try it out. Print query, and let's get rid of that, and let's add params equals query. same thing. So it's requesting, what's the request URL? You know what? We're gonna add these guys. See what happens. Okay, but if we were to take query, do that with it, see what happens if we okay, so we still get that. Wait, is this the... That can't be the URL. Or what's... The heck is this? Huh. It'd be nice to see a more verbose reason. How do we do that? Print response. I believe it's print response dot errors or status code. That's what we need. Status code 404. It's saying that it wasn't found. Why would it not be found? Okay, well, let's put this back on here. Four still. Assets. Duh. This whole time. I don't even know how I didn't see that. Assets. There we go. Okay, so then I'm guessing that, you know, we're just going to try it with that and see if it works. Okay, so 404, so we're going to take this out. And we're going to put it in here. Or we're going to say query. Okay, please work. Yes! Victory! Alright. Victory. Okay. So there is our response for multiple NFTs.